Hello everyone. Now we will do English grammar. In English grammar we had completed till chapter number 11 and we are going to start chapter number 12, comparisons. Now read these sentences. Varun is a tall boy. Aman is taller than Varun. So we are comparing Aman and Varun. Here are two boys, Aman and Varun, and we can see that he is Aman and he is Varun. We can see that Aman is taller than Varun. Mohan is the tallest boy in the class. We compare Mohan and the other boys of the class. See, here are three boys and Mohan is the tallest boy in the class that we can see in the picture. Comparison between two things or persons. Aman is taller than Varun. अमन वरुण से टॉलर है. My eraser is smaller than yours. If we compare our eraser with our friend, then we will say my eraser is smaller than yours. The blue sharpener is bigger than the red sharpener. So this is the comparison between two sharpeners, that blue sharpener is bigger than red sharpener. When we compare two persons, things or animals, we use ER form of the adjective. Now all of you know the adjective. What is adjective? Adjective means describing words. So here we are adding ER. Here it is written we are adding ER to the form of adjective. These are the examples: taller, smaller and bigger. So the word is tall, ER is added. The word is small, ER is added, and the word is big, and you have to add ER. So there are certain rules for adding ER that we will see afterwards. When we compare two things, we use ER form of adjective. We also use then. जैसे कि एडजेक्टिव में हम ER ऐड करते हैं, उसके साथ एक दूसरा वर्ड है, वो है then. तो हम then भी यूज करते हैं. अब वो कैसे करते हैं वो हम देखेंगे. See, this is the exercise A. Fill in the blanks with correct form of words given in the brackets. ब्रैकेट में वर्ड दिया है that is adjective and we have to use the correct form of word. The book is dash than that one. So this book is light. So we will write after the blank the word is given then. That is why we have to write lighter. The book is lighter than that one. Mohan is dash than Sohan. The word is strong. So we will write here stronger. You have to remember that after the blank, if then word is given, then you have to add ER only to the adjective. Tarun is smarter than his brother. The word is given smart, that is why I had written smarter. The aeroplane moves dash than the train. The word is given fast, so we have to write faster. Rita's hair is dash than Richa's hair. Short, shorter. So again I am telling, if the word is given then after the blank, then we have to write ER form of the adjective. Now we will go to the next page. There are some big words which cannot be used for comparison by adding ER. We have to add more before these words. Now some words are there that we cannot use adding ER. कुछ words ऐसे होते हैं जिसमें हम ER ऐड करके नहीं लिख सकते, तो उसके लिए हम वो एडजेक्टिव के आगे हम more ऐड करेंगे. we have to add more before these words. Here are the examples. Comfortable. So here we can't add er, comfortable, so it will not proper. That is why we have to write more comfortable. Beautiful. For these we will not write beautifuler, but we have to write more beautiful. So now we will see that exercise. Exercise B, make comparison using the words in the brackets. I am more comfortable in this seat than that. So here word is given comfortable and we have to write more comfortable. Jyoti is dash than Meena. Jyoti is more beautiful than Meena. This book is dash than that one. The word is given interesting. So this book is more interesting than that one. So like this you have to write this exercise and you can write from the video also, and as well I will send in the Tenno also this PDF file, so you can write it easily. Now we will see comparison between more than two things or person. एक दो से ज़्यादा थिंग और पर्सन के बीच में कंपैरिजन हो तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? Read these sentences. Manya is the tallest girl in the class. So we are not talking about only two girls, but all the girls in the class. So Manya is the tallest, मतलब सारी गर्ल्स में वो सबसे टॉल है, तो उसके लिए लिखा है tallest. The blue box is the largest of all the boxes. मतलब ये जो है सेंटेंस उसमें सिर्फ दो बॉक्स के बारे में नहीं लिखा है, पर बहुत सारे बॉक्सेस है, उसमें जो ब्लू कलर का बॉक्स है वो सबसे बड़ा है. That is why here it is written largest. Vinod is the strongest boy in the class. So पूरे क्लास के जितने भी बॉय है, जितने भी बॉयज है, उसमें विनोद सबसे स्ट्रॉन्ग है, इसीलिए यहाँ पे लिखा है स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट. और आपको ये भी याद रखना है कि यहाँ पर स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट, लार्जेस्ट, टॉलेस्ट ये जो लिखा है उसके आगे धी आता है, THE धी आता है. सो आपको ये भी याद रखना है कि धी के बाद अगर कोई ब्लैंक है तो हम टॉलेस्ट मतलब EST लगा के लिख सकते हैं. When we compare more than two persons or things or animals, we write EST from the adjective. मतलब जो भी एडजेक्टिव है हमें उसमें EST लगाना है. When we compare more than two things, we use EST from the adjective. We also use the with the EST form. जैसे कि मैंने पहले बताया कि जब EST फॉर्म हम यूज करेंगे तो उसके आगे हमें the लिखना जरूरी है. So now the next exercise. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the words given in the brackets. The red car was dash among all the cars. Here it is given big. And as I told you, the word is given. So we have to write biggest. Okay. And there are not comparison among two, only two cars. Among all the cars means सिर्फ दो कार की comparison नहीं है, बहुत सारी कार है, तो उसके लिए हमें लिखना है the biggest. Then today is the best day of the month and the word is cold. So the coldest month, coldest day of the month. Then the dash building of the area. That is the dash building of the area. The word is tall. So we have to write tallest. The is written here and EST we have to add. Like this you have to complete this exercise. You can do it. And now some big words cannot be used for comparison by adding EST. We have to add most before these words. और कुछ वर्ड ऐसे होते हैं कि जिसमें EST लगाने से वो एडजेक्टिव में हम EST लगा के नहीं लिख सकते. तो ऐसे जो वर्ड है उसमें हमें आगे लगाना है मोस्ट। जैसे कि एग्जाम्पल में लिखा है कंफर्टेबल, तो हम कंफर्टेबलेस्ट ऐसा नहीं लिख सकते, पर हमें लिखना है मोस्ट कंफर्टेबल। और ब्यूटीफुल, मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल। So here make comparisons using words in the brackets. This is the dash painting in the exhibition. So here we have to write, the word is given in the bracket is beautiful. So we have to write most beautiful. Then yesterday's match was the dash match of the tournament. So we have to write most exciting. Okay, and then this is the dash room of the house. So we have to write, this is the most colorful room of the house. So like this you can write the rest of the sentence by yourself, and I think all of you understood in this exercise. Now we will see the next question. Choose the correct word from the brackets. Tarun is the dash boy in the class. So you have to see that before the blank the is written, means we have to write most intelligent. We will not write more intelligent or only intelligent, but we will write most intelligent. See here I had underlined the word and afterward cross it, just because of that I want to show you we will not write only intelligent, but we have to write most intelligent. Okay, then the second word, the hare is dash, then the tortoise. So here you can see after the blank the word is given then. That is why we will write lazier. You have to remember, if then word is given, then we have to write the form of er. Then the quilt is dash, then that. So we have to write, first of all we will see after the blank the word is given then. That is why we will write warmer. We have to write here warmer. Her dress is dash. Here it is given, her dress is dash, more beautiful, most beautiful, and beautiful. So we will write here, her dress is more beautiful. And the last one, cotton wool is dash, then paper. So here it is given then, that is why we will write lighter. We will not write lightest because the is not there, but after the blank it is given then. That is why we will write cotton wool is lighter than paper. So now we had learned about the adjective, the comparison between two things, person, and more than 2 or 3 person, and how and what we have to write for the comparison. We have to add er to the form of adjective. Here it is given more examples, lighter or more with the adjective. Example, more important. कुछ वर्ड्स हैं कि जिसमें हम er ऐड करके एडजेक्टिव में लिख सकते हैं, पर कुछ वर्ड में हम er ऐड करके नहीं लिख सकते, तो उसके लिए हमें लिखना है मोर इम्पोर्टेंट. उसी तरह we use est form of adjective, that is lightest or most with the adjective. कुछ वर्ड में हम est ऐड करके एडजेक्टिव लिख सकते हैं, और जिसमें हम est ऐड करके नहीं लिख सकते उसमें हमें लिखना है most important. So now I hope all of you understood this chapter of comparison. So you finish this exercise and try to do by yourself. It is very easy, so you can do it by yourself. Thank you and have a nice day.